Well, it's time to plant the spinach in a square foot garden. And spinach in a square foot garden is planted 9 plants to a square. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to take my shovel and I'm going to make 3 little trenches here in each of my squares. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my spinach seeds and put them in. Now, spinach requires the dark to germinate. So the seeds have to be planted far enough down into the soil that it is dark. If there's light where the seed is, it will not germinate. So there we go. I'm now just going to cover it up, kind of pat it down a little bit to make sure there's good soil contact. And this one right here is a little high. Push it down in, so is that one. There we go. Now, oh, got a little weed. Now that'll come up in a few days, and hopefully pretty soon we'll have spinach.